This is just a new inventory unboxing of some really cool products I now have available on my website. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of some different things that I purchased that I thought would look really nice to kind of decorate some shoes or maybe some jackets. Just trying something different, you guys. So I just want to let you guys know what I have coming to the website, myroyalradiance.com. Okay? So I have these really pretty bows. I think these bows would be very pretty if you even turn it into a hair bow. This is what the back of it looks like. This is about 3 inches wide and 2 inches in length from this area all the way down here. 2 to 2.5 inches. Okay, so I have it to where you can buy 2 of these. And I'm trying to run some promotions because I have a lot of different inventory that didn't move the way I wanted it to. So I'm giving a lot of free gifts with certain things that are purchased. I'll let you know about that towards the middle of the video. So I have these, and I think these are just so adorable. I was thinking you know how people have those cute little Ugg boots. If you want to glue one of these to the back of some Uggs, or if you want to add it on to a purse, maybe a cute little clutch bag. It's so sparkly. Add this onto your daughter's purse. I feel like it's just so much you can do with this. And it's rhinestones all on this top area. There's a second layer. There's rhinestones all underneath here and all on this area right here. Okay? So I have those. You can buy them in sets of 2. Have those, okay? And I also have them in black. I have them in black as well, and I think this is just so beautiful when it's in black. I like the way rhinestones look when the background is black. I feel like it just really makes it just pop. Okay? The measurements are the same. For some reason these are a little maybe due to the packing, but these kind of have a angled look. The other ones are more flat. Maybe it's due to the packing, but the same thing. If you want to add this onto a purse, or if you have some really cute black, maybe velvet high heel pumps, and you want to add this to the very back of your shoe. Now I'm gonna play around with some glues and see what holds up the best, or even if I have to run a clear piece of thread through something, I want to see the best way to attach these on. So I'll be figuring out how I'm going to do a video. You know what? I even had an idea to add this on to a really cute bottle of champagne, just to make it different. So that's just a couple of ideas I'm throwing out there. Again, you can buy these in sets of 2. They're already on my website. Okay? So I have that, and this is just going to be a quick little video, getting straight to the point, you guys, okay? So I have these beautiful black little bows, 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches from this top area down to this bottom. That's the measurements that I got. I'm just saying that twice so you know they're both the same size. And also I know sometimes you don't want to hear a lot of talking possibly, so you fast forward. Because a lot of questions that get asked, it's already in the video, but I get it. People fast forward. So those are the measurements. Our bows here. Now let's get to the real exciting part, you guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do a video using these. Of course, the bows, those are the bombs. But I can't wait to use these little, well, I already opened it because I had to make sure everything was right, okay? But I can't wait to use these patches, you guys. Let me show you these little patches with this cute little fringe on there. Look at this. Look at these cute little patches with the little fringe. Isn't that just adorable? Look at this. I thought these were just so cute. So these are inspired by Louis Vuitton, the LV logo with the little fringe rhinestones. And I want to show you what the back looks like. Now, I think these can be ironed on. I have to run a test and see. I don't really care to iron things on because for some reason they peel off. I have better luck using like an E6000. That's just me. So I plan on using these with some glue. But this is what the back of them look like. Now these are about 1.5 inches wide and about 3 inches from top to bottom, including the fringe. So I have the LV one. So that's all what's in here. The LV. Right now I have them to where you can buy all of them, but maybe if someone wants to buy all LV, I'll have to make a listing for that. But right now, let me just show you the second one that I have. The Gucci. So this is the Gucci logo. You see that? They're so sparkly. They're so, so, so pretty. And I don't know what, it's like a little plastic, like thick rubber material. When I asked them what was these made out of, when I messaged the vendor, and I'm still testing this vendor out, but I'm still gonna, you know, test these out. They told me it was metal. This is not metal at all. And it's very bendable, which is good because if you want to glue these onto some Crocs, you glue it, hold it, and it should bend to the shoe. But I just thought this fringe was just so adorable. So I have the Gucci one. And then the next one I'm going to show you. Next one I have here is the Dior. Really pretty. This one is probably the biggest one. They're all pretty much about the same size. This one is just a little longer. So that's the Dior. I want to show you is the Chanel. Look at that. Super, super, super cute. Very, very pretty. Very sparkly. Again, I think these will look so cute on Crocs, obviously. Obviously very cute on Crocs. But also if you want to jazz up a purse, like a plain black little clutch bag, like I was saying, you could add these onto your book bag. You could put them on your cell phone probably if you want to. If you want to add these onto a cell phone, wherever you can glue something very cute and just add some glam to it, these will work out. So I have it to where you can buy one of each as a set. And as a limited time promotion, you'll also get a free random flavor lip gloss. And this is from myroyalradiance.com. So random flavor lip gloss, it'll either come in a box look like this or it'll look like this. So this is something that's going to be a limited edition because once these run out, then that's it. Okay, you guys? So just wanted to let you know what I have here. And also, if you purchase a set of the bows, I'm selling them in sets of 2, you will also receive a random lip gloss flavor. A random lip gloss flavor in the bows while supplies last. I still have it to where if you purchase charms, you get a set of bling charms as well, because I just like, I appreciate my customers and I want them to feel special when they make a purchase. Even if you maybe want to turn one into a bracelet for your daughter or something. I don't know, you can get like real creative with these. I feel like it's just so much you could do with these bows. So much. So it's that. Once again, here are the bows. Very sparkly, very pretty. myroyalradiance.com. Again, if you purchase the 2 bows, you will receive a free lip gloss while supplies last. And let me just open this one up and show you. This is what the lip gloss looks like. Very, very pretty. So that's a nice little added bonus. Get some cute lip gloss. And you get the bows, or if you decide to purchase the patches, you'll get the patches. Okay, so I have it to where you could purchase the set. This is a set. The Gucci, the Dior, the Louis Vuitton, and the Chanel. All is one set. myroyalradiance.com if you're interested. And then a free random lip gloss to go along with the purchase while supplies last. Now, I put emphasis on that because if you watch this video 2 years from now, don't be asking where your lip gloss at. I'm just joking, but hopefully you'll take advantage of this if you're interested in it. This is what you'll get. Okay, this does conclude the video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I cannot wait to demonstrate how I can use these patches what's the best glue to use them, because I keep hearing about this Aleene's jewelry glue that's supposed to be on the level E6000 or better. So all right, you guys, bye bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, CRTacticalDefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, V-I-B-E-S, for my subscribers. Thanks again for checking out this video, you guys. You can follow me on Instagram at LifeIsAWholeVibe with underscores in between each word, and the name is the same on TikTok as well. Bye-bye.